It's just a scratch coding and the rule blocks class 11895. Okay guys, today we're gonna learn how to make a sprite detector. Like if you want a fire detector, tsunami detector or anything. Well, we got the sprite. Well, so first we have to create like a new sprite. Well, you can like do it like anything you want. Like I'm gonna select. Oops, mine just glitched. I don't know this and this. Well, remove the outline so that it's gonna look like a light. Well, now use this. Maybe something like this. Yes. Maybe you can like even add a design like something like this. Oops, what the? This is useless. Maybe let's make it smaller so that it won't detect the sprite easily. Well, if you like put it here, this won't cause like this won't cause it like move like this moving. But when you do like this, it works even better. Well, first, when green flag click forever, it's gonna like spin. First testing. Yes, that's pretty good. Now, when we let's clone this block. Now let's remove this. Now when if touching this sprite, then it will go to like set an alarm. You can select any alarm. I'm gonna select yes. So it will gonna like so how long is this? Sorry, two this one 2.40. So wait for 2.40 2.40, then broadcast message. It doesn't depend what message you make, it can still be how you like. So when I receive message, I'm gonna go like this place so that it's not gonna reach it. Also hide. Then I'm gonna like wait for 1 second. Go to random position. Now when green flag clicked, it's gonna like go to random position. Now let's test it out. Wait. Oh yes. Bro, I can't even calculate. Oh yes, it should show. Bro, it green flag clicked show. Now spread. Yes. Not. Well, when green flag clicked, um, wait for like 3 seconds, and if not like just if not like touching this detector, I'm gonna like hide, wait for 1 second, then like go to random position, then it's gonna like broadcast a new message. 2. Okay, now let's get the test. I hope it detected. I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. Yes. So wait, I think something is missing. Well, let's give it a try just in case. When green flag click forever, if like touching color, well this, then it's gonna like go to like random position. Now the sprite gonna go here. Wait. Oh, I mistake something. It should be like if not touching sprite too. Maybe when green flag clicked forever. Bro, this is way hotter than I thought. Well, oh yes, sure. Let's check more just in case. Well, it's actually how it's supposed to be like, because when it touches that color, it like teleports a random position. So that's it for today's video. See you later. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe our video.